Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have a ton of amazing tool deals for you. Everything in this video is either going to be Milwaukee or Dewalt. We have a mixture of both hand tools and cordless tools. Everything has free shipping. There will be a single link down below to a post on my website that includes some promo codes, and everything will be listed in the same order that you see it in the video. You'll notice that Northern Tool has a bunch of deals that are the same price as other retailers. However, Northern Tool has a promo code that stacks with the sale price. So we have some really good deals when you factor in also getting the free shipping. Now before we get into it, I want to show you on the post on my website, we have a couple of overlapping codes here. We have $20 off 100. We have two different codes for that. We have $5 off 25 if you have a smaller purchase you're making. And obviously, if you're buying more than one item that's over $100, split it up into individual orders so that you can use the promo code more than once. If we're at $250, you could get the $25 gift card. Now, I want to show you something with this first item. It's the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Hacksaw Reciprocating Saw Kit. Currently on sale for $159. You're getting that 4 amp hour battery, the fuel hacksaw, the charger, and the bag, right? And if we look at Home Depot, it is $159 with free shipping at Home Depot also. So you may think to yourself, I'm more familiar with Home Depot. Maybe I already have an account with Home Depot. I'm just going to buy it from Home Depot. Well, here's the thing. We have promo codes at Northern Tool so you can actually save a bit more. You can see I have it in my Northern Tool cart. And for whatever reason, some items you cannot add a promo code. The box is supposed to come up when you click right here. That's not happening. So after you have an item added to your cart, just like you see it in my screen here, go to the post on the website and click Apply Code. Click this link right here after the item is in your cart. You can see the promo code is now applied. Now the left part of the screen has all my information over there, so I had to move the window over. But you can see that once we get to the payment page, it is updated with our discounts. So after tax, we're only paying $147.69. So now that we all understand how this works, I'm going to breeze through the rest of the deals. We're going to try and go quickly because there's just so much. We can't go in depth on everything. We have the Milwaukee Thunderbolt Black Oxide Drill Bit Set. This is a 21-piece set, $19.99. Keep in mind, when we spend $25, we have that $5 discount. So you may buy two, you may end up pairing it with something else, but just keep those $25 and $100 thresholds in mind when making your purchase. If we look at the same item on Home Depot's website, it is $29.97. Here we have the Milwaukee M18 Circular Saw, 6.5 inch, normally $119 down to $99. Now in this instance, you may need a filler item to get to your $100. You want to make sure your filler item comes with free shipping. So for me, I just typed in the search term bit, and then on the left where you have the filters, there's one here that says free shipping. You can see I have it right here. And then I filtered low to high, so you can just find the cheapest item that comes with free shipping, add it to your cart so you can save that $20. And if we look at Home Depot, they also have it for $99. Here we have the Milwaukee M12 Cordless Palm Nailer Kit with one battery, normally $179 down to $119. Again, we're going to get that $20 off, so we pay $99, and Home Depot has it for $119. Milwaukee M12 Fuel Installation Driver with two batteries. Comes with all the different head attachments. Normally $229 down to $199. Again, your same price at Home Depot, but we're saving the extra $20 at Northern Tool. We have the Milwaukee M18 Compact 1/2 inch Brushless Drill Driver Kit. After we add a filler item and the promo code, will be at about $79. Home Depot, $99. Here we have our first Dewalt item. It is the 20 volt Compact Brushless Drill Driver Kit. You're getting two batteries. It's a 1/2 inch drill, and those look like the 1.5 amp hour batteries. It's going to be $79 after promo code and a filler item. Over at Home Depot, the model number keeps redirecting to this page that isn't even anything good on there. I mean, nothing you can purchase. Lowe's has it for $99 though. This one is a great way to get into Milwaukee's M12 lineup if that's something you've been looking to do. It's the Milwaukee 5-tool cordless combo kit. You're getting 2 batteries. It's going to be $179 after our promo code, and Home Depot has it for $199. Now here's one of my favorite deals, one I'd really like to get for myself. It's the Milwaukee M12 Fuel cordless 3/8-inch high-speed ratchet kit. You get 1 battery. It's rated at 35 pounds of torque. It's $199. Of course, the promo code brings it to $179. And if we look at Home Depot, this is the 2-battery version, but these are only 2 amp hour batteries, so that's $100 more for a 2 amp hour battery. That's no good. If we look at the tool-only price, that's $179. So in that instance, you're missing out on the charger, the bag, and the battery. Here's what I guess you could call a budget-friendly kit. It's the Dewalt 20-volt drill driver and impact driver combo kit. You're getting 2 batteries. This is definitely not the latest and greatest from Dewalt, but it is using the newer 20-volt battery platform, so it gets you in the door for some other stuff. Might be a good gift for someone who needs just some basic tools. It's going to be $119 after our promo code and $139 at Home Depot. Here's another one that's really a great deal. The Milwaukee M18 cordless 1/2-inch high torque impact wrench with the free M12 3/8 ratchet. Now you can see we're paying $199. We got the $20 off, so we're going to be at $179. And if we look over at Home Depot, tool only for that impact is $199. Milwaukee M18 2-tool kit. You're getting 2 batteries, the 1/2-inch drill, the 1/4-inch impact driver. On sale, $149, $129 after our promo code, and it is $149 at Home Depot. Here is a similar upgraded kit. This is the brushless version, the Milwaukee M18 1/2-inch drill, 1/4-inch impact with 2 batteries, $199, $179 after promo code, and Home Depot has it for $199. Here we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Sawzall Reciprocating Saw, the Gen 2 saw, $189. And if you're noticing the trend, so far everything has already been a sale price, which is basically a price match with Home Depot. However, we are also getting the additional $20 off when purchasing from Northern Tool. So here we're at $169, and at Home Depot, $189. Now this was actually one of the posts from yesterday. It was when I got to this item and then started looking through the list of sale stuff at Northern Tool, I realized this just has to be its own long form video because there's too many deals. I mean, when you start looking at all that stuff, when you can apply that promo code, it's just really nice to get the sale price and the code. So here we have the Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty Drill and Drive Set. So 40-piece set on sale for $14.99. Again, you're getting free shipping on everything in the video. If you buy 2, or if you end up buying anything else in the video, you get the 5 off 25. So it's essentially $12.50 if you were to buy 2 of these. And if we look at Home Depot, the same set is $19.97. Here's the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 2-tool cordless combo. You're getting a hammer drill and the impact driver. You're getting 2 batteries, that 4 amp hour battery and probably 1.5 or 2 battery over there. $179, $159 after the promo code, and $179 at Home Depot. Here's something of a more economical version of the last deal. These are not the fuel tools, and it's not a hammer drill, just a regular drill. But $99, we're going to get that cheap filler item, bring it down to about $79 for this 2-tool kit, and it's $99 at Home Depot. Here's the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Pack Out 2.5 gallon wet dry vacuum, tool only price, on sale for $189. We get it for $169. Home Depot, $189. Here's the other deal that we mentioned yesterday. Interestingly enough, yesterday it was listed as a deal of the day, but it was the same price, so who knew? Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty Driver Bit Set. It's a 74-piece set on sale for $19.99. Again, if you buy 2, you qualify for the 5 off 25, so you end up paying about $17.50 for each one. If we look at Home Depot, they have it for $36.97. Now here's the Milwaukee M12 cordless electric subcompact driver. You're getting 2 batteries, 1/4-inch keyless chuck. On sale for $69, so at this point we can use the $5 coupon, or we can build up our order total to $100 to get that $20 off, but $69 and then $69 over at Home Depot without any additional discount. The Milwaukee M18 Cordless 2-tool combo kit. We have a 1/2-inch brushless hammer drill and the 1/4-inch hex impact. 2 batteries. Let's see, we're getting a 4 and probably a 2. It's $259. Again, we're getting that, well, we could get the $25 off gift card, which I guess it depends if you make future purchases. I don't know their gift cards. They may email you immediately the gift card, and then you could just use it on a purchase right afterwards and save an additional $25. So possibly get the $25 off, or at least get the 20 off 100, which is probably just a better deal, just to not mess with it. But anyway, so you're going to be $239, and then Home Depot $259. Here's the Milwaukee Hacksaw reciprocating saw. This is the non-fuel version. Earlier we saw the fuel version that was part of a kit, and that's probably the better way to go, but this is available. $79 qualifies for the $5 off, or build it up a little bit and get $20 off, and $79 at Home Depot. Another Dewalt deal for you, the 20-volt max brushless compact drill driver and impact driver with the 2 batteries, on sale for $149. We're going to pay $129. I couldn't find it on Home Depot's website, so here is Lowe's. It's one of those, add it to your cart to see the lower price, and it is $149 at Lowe's. Milwaukee 100-piece Shockwave impact driver bit set with the pack-out organizer. Normally $99.99 all the way down to $49.99. We can either take the $5 off or buy 2 and get $20 off, making them about $40 each. Or Home Depot has the same one for $49.99. Next we have the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. Comes with 1 4-amp-hour battery. Normally $219, on sale for $179. We're going to pay $159, and Home Depot $179. Here's the Dewalt 20-volt max brushless compact 1/4-inch impact driver with the 2 batteries, the charger, and the bag. On sale for $99. With the filler item, we're going to pay about $79, and Home Depot $99. Here's the Dewalt 20-volt max compact reciprocating saw. Normally $179 down to $149. We're going to pay $129. I have this saw and it is amazing. I really like it. I had the brushed version, which is the more traditional size version before that. Much better than that. And I also have the Fuel M12 Hacksaw, and this thing cuts faster. It's just all around nicer tool. I really like this reciprocating saw. Anyway, $129, and Home Depot is $149. Really like this deal. We got the Milwaukee M18 brushless cordless circular saw kit. Comes with 1 battery. It's a 7 1/4-inch saw blade. Normally $299 down to $199. And keep in mind that's a brushless saw, and that's a 5-amp-hour battery that's coming with it. We're going to pay $179 after the promo code, and Home Depot has it still at $199. So there it is, guys, my big list of current sales at Northern Tool. Everything free shipping. Remember to apply those promo codes. Subscribe for a subscriber and click the bell. The bell ringers get the best deals. Thanks for watching.